Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video and another episode of what every cruiser wants. And I got 3 new comments for you this week. Everything from prescription drugs in Mexico to bath towels that feel like barbed wire, and why, oh why, does my room not have a bathtub? Because apparently everybody wants to take a bath. So today we're going to start off talking about prescription drugs in Mexico. Now, if you've ever been to Mexico, of course, you can get off the ship. They have the pharmacies there in Mexico, and yeah, you can go in there, and there are things that you can get that are less expensive than you can get here in the United States. Tiffany and I visit the pharmacies there in Mexico. But just like every other place in the world, sometimes the rules change. Sometimes things change in other countries. Is it really the cruise line's responsibility to let you know something so specific as the rules in a pharmacy before you get there? Well, according to this person, it was the cruise line's responsibility. Why have you not informed everyone that the rules in Mexico for prescription drugs are pretty much the same as the US now? Carnival has always recommended the drugstore on the pier in Cozumel. We have always bought oxycodone plus other pain relief drugs there at 50% cheaper prices than in the States. We are now on the Carnival Breeze in Cozumel and have been denied without a prescription. Mexico now requires a doctor's order to sell drugs. Why were we not told? Why do you believe that it is the cruise line's responsibility to let you know you need a prescription to buy drugs in a foreign country? Why was it not your responsibility to check and do a little bit of research ahead of time so you knew what you needed before you got there? Those are the questions that I have. But you guys let me know what you think about this type of comment. Is it really a cruise line's responsibility to let you know that you may need a prescription before you go into a pharmacy? And was the cruise line actually ever recommending that you go to a pharmacy in a foreign country? Or is that really just something they read somewhere else, and because they were unprepared, they need to blame it on the cruise line? You guys let me know what you think about drugs in Mexico. For our next comment, bath towels in the bathroom, obviously inside your cabin. Does anybody really have a big issue with the bath towels? Me personally, I don't. They work just fine. I jump in the shower, I take a shower, I dry off with the towel. If I want a new towel, I can get a new towel. If I'm willing to use the towel more than one time, I hang it back up. Seems pretty easy, seems pretty simple, yet somebody took the time to write in a comment about bath towels. First cruise since the pandemic, and shocked to see the same old bath towels. Me and my partner are on the Celebration. We have a suite. The towels are cheap. They are rough. They cause pain when used. They feel like they are made from barbed wire. They are also too small. Please do not give me all the gruff about saving the planet, blah, blah, then use them for a few days as we do at home. When we book a cruise, we want fresh, dry towels daily. Oh, and how about making the towels big enough for the average American? They are not for sure. The washcloths are a joke. On blank, you get a washcloth made of netting, made into a ball that you scrub with. They are awesome. The towels on Celebration are a letdown for the blank we paid. I don't know about y'all, but I've been on several cruises, and well, the bath towels have never caused me pain. They've never felt like I was drying myself off with barbed wire. I've never had the towel be too small to dry myself off with. And if you want fresh towels daily, like I said, all you have to do is let the room steward know. It actually says in the bathrooms that, hey, we are trying to go green. If you're willing to use it more than once, you hang it up. If you want it replaced, you put it on the floor. Seems like it's a pretty easy, simple process to get fresh towels daily. And never once have I been on a cruise and thought to myself, wow, I really, really need to write in about a comment concerning the towels. But hey, you guys let me know what you think. Do you think the towels cause you pain? Do the towels feel like barbed wire cutting into your skin as you dry yourself off? Have you ever had an issue with getting clean, fresh towels from your room steward? You know, you guys let me know below, because maybe I'm cruising wrong, and maybe I just don't know how to use bath towels. And finally, keeping up with our cruise cabin bathroom theme, let's talk about bathtubs in the cruise cabin. Now, a bathtub in a cruise cabin in the bathroom, you know, that's not necessarily a super common thing. Sure, you could see some in the suites. Yes, Disney Cruise Line definitely puts them in their cabins. But for the most part, the majority of the cabins I've ever stayed in don't even have a bathtub. They just have the shower. But according to this person, they should have bathtubs because there's no way you can get clean if you're only taking a shower. Can you explain to me why my suite does not have a bathtub? I was with my wife now on the Panorama. We had the Havana Grand Suite, but there is no bathtub. There is only a shower. Yes, we should have checked, but when you pay X amount for this room, there should be a bathtub. Showers do not get you clean. They leave you unclean. This is why over half of America take a bath before taking a shower. Unless water actually seeps into all of your body, then I submit you are not really clean. Both of us are working professionals. We have a hectic lifestyle. We are become ritualistic about the bath time, and we were both very disappointed that the supposed best cabin on the ship did not have one. Please take this to the higher ups. So a shower doesn't get you clean. And I know there's people out there that like baths, but you essentially sit in some water. The dirt from your body is now in the water, floating around with you. And that is cleaner than a shower where the dirt washes off of you. I don't know. You guys will have to let me know about the science on that one. I'm not necessarily believing that you're cleaner in a bath than you are in a shower. And half of America takes a bath? I know people relax in tubs. They enjoy it. Put a little bubble bath, whatever the case, maybe some candles. I know that's a thing. But half of y'all watching this video right now fixing to go take a bath tonight? And even in their own comment, they admit, hey, we should have checked, but we didn't, so it's still your fault. And this is something that definitely must be taken to the higher ups, because obviously they're just going to run out tomorrow, rip the shower out, and put a bathtub in for you, right? But you guys let me know in the comments below. Are you disappointed that you cannot take a regular bath while on a cruise ship? Is that something that you actually want? Something that you actually look forward to? Do you think you get cleaner in a bath than you do in a shower? Or are you like me and hey, I got a shower, I got a clean towel, I'm good. You guys let me know in the comments what you think about bathtubs in cruise cabins. All right, and that is going to be our video today for what every cruiser wants. You guys let me know in the comments below what you think about these. Are these people right? Are these people wrong? Are they actually speaking for everybody? Are you half of America that wants to take a bath? Do you think your towels are cutting you up like barbed wire? And are you upset that the cruise lines didn't let you know you might need a prescription if you go to the pharmacy? All right, I hope everybody has enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day and a really great weekend. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.